Okay, so you can see in the Excel file how it has where you put the comments in, and then there's a comment for 2B, which is Unit 2. Whoopsie. And then 2C. So you can really only fit about 5 lines of text, roughly, in each one. If you don't have these, I don't know how to create that. So that's not what I know how to do, because it was already created. I can send you this template that has it already on there. So then you open up the actual, like the PSC document, and then you do the mail merge. So you're like selecting recipients, use an existing list. Then you find your Excel file document. This is where it has that mistake. I just removed that field. And so you like mail merge like normal, but if you go down, the comment section is already in there for Unit 1 for the first box, but you can add another field. So here, like these are all of the fields that are available in the spreadsheet. So like then you would add B field and add 2C as well. And so then when you finish and merge, it will have them there. Let's see. Okay, so then like you move to the next page using so flipping to different students, you can see, and I think I actually put it in under, I may have put it in under Unit 1. But if you had those extra ones for the other unit, you'll want to add like comment 1B, 1C. If the order is messed up, then that means that you didn't put the cursor after the first comment, so you have to go back to the first page and redo it. Sometimes I have to like totally just X out and start over with the mail merge part if I don't get the order right. Hope this helps.